Hi guys, I've been away for such a long time. I just thought I'd upload a little test circuit that I'm doing today. I've got these Baofeng radios, which I've been using recently on for communication, and I wanted to set up a little test repeater. And there is the repeater that I've built. I mean, it literally is an audio recording module over here. It's an ISDT audio recorder. Only does 9 or 10 seconds at a time, but to be honest, that's enough for most sort of short burst communication. And we've got this Arduino micro, um, and we effectively have just like 4 or 5 resistors around about it and a couple of capacitors. So if I bring this other radio in and I transmit on this radio and see any old rubbish. Transmit on this radio and see any old rubbish. So you can see that these two are exchanging places in the communication. So the radio on the desk is receiving and recording through the ISDT, and it's being played back when I finish talking. So the radio on the desk is receiving and recording through the ISDT, and it's being played back when I finish talking.